What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable auto scan while installing apps on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on device care. Now in device care, click on app protection, and here click on this three dot more icon, and here click on app protection settings, and then you will see a auto scan when installing apps button. So to enable auto scan while installing apps, tap on this button to turn it on, and from the pop-up again tap on turn on to confirm. So that's how you can enable auto scan while installing apps on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.